Where could I find resources to help me with my parents' divorce? They can't speak English. One of them wants to stay in the marriage and leech off the family, and there's evidence of cheating. Hoping I could ask some questions to a family lawyer. Well, thank you for your question. Your questions are good, but this is where you begin the learning process, not where it ends. In other words, don't just stop with this video. In my opinion, the best things for you to do are as follows. 1, go to your local courthouse and ask if the people who work there, the clerks and/or judges, know of resources for the poor and for people who do not speak English who need to get a divorce and are trying to get divorced. The courthouse should know of many free and inexpensive resources that fit your need. 2, call your local bar association. If you can't find the number, ask the court clerk for it when you go to the courthouse. And ask the same questions at the bar that I told you to ask in point 1 above, or to find similar resources. 3, if there is a law school in your area, it may have a family law clinic that it runs. So go and try that. Number 4, Google divorce and family lawyers in the town or county where you live and meet with at least one good divorce lawyer to get a clear idea of how the divorce process works and how divorce law applies to your parents' situation. If you're from a foreign country, it's especially important to understand divorce laws here may be different from divorce law in your home country. A consultation with a good lawyer does not have to be terribly expensive. Avoid free consultations. Lawyers generally give free consultations to lure you into hiring them and to telling you exactly what you want to hear, not what you need to know. Pay a lawyer for his or her time and be upfront about being unable to afford an attorney, and explain that you are seeking this consultation to get an idea of what you and your parents will be up against in proceeding with a divorce on a DIY or pro se basis. The attorney will give you good advice if you level with the attorney. 5. After you've followed steps 1 through 4, you and your parents either A, will know what resources are available to start and process a DIY divorce to completion and feel confident it can be done in your situation, or B, may conclude that hiring an attorney to help them work out their divorce issues on an uncontested basis, if your parents are willing to do that, may be worth what the lawyer would charge.